Hey there, YouTube world. It's me, Jordan Ray, for another Google App Scripting video. This time suggested by my friend Stephanie, who I met at the Google Innovator Conference several years ago. She suggested a project dealing with Google Slides and a Google Spreadsheet and being able to kind of pull in data from a sheet, but without having to open up the spreadsheet. So the way I kind of envision that from her question is we have several rows. This is super simple data here. Obviously, in the real world, you would probably be dealing with something much more complex. But this is just to give you an idea of how to go about combining these things. So we've got values, and then we've got a slide deck where we've got a template, name and value, and we can run, and it builds out a new copy with the most current row. It's going to replace text with the current values. So stick around, let's build this together. The code is very simple and very quick, very painless. Okay, let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is name the project, and I'll just call it Slide Data. Next up, we want to add in an onOpen function. The onOpen is going to add a menu so that we can run our build template from the slide itself. Okay, I've made that a little bit bigger so we can read it. And build template is a function that is going to do a couple things here. We're going to grab the presentation, which is technically our template. It's going to be the slide data template. Then we're going to make a copy of it. I'm going to space this out. We're going to make a copy. Then we're going to open that copy by the ID here. Then we're going to grab all of the rows, the current row out of our spreadsheet with this function getCurrentRow that we haven't built yet. And then we are going to we're going to replace the text of name and value with the values from that spreadsheet. So here's our getCurrentRow function, where we are literally just going to grab the spreadsheet, which we have here, slide data. It's only got one row in it right now. And then we are going to get the sheet, get the values. We could actually put all of this into one line, but I just have it kind of spaced out for clarity. And then we're just going to return the very last row, so the most current data. Right? So right now it's going to give us the first row, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's save everything. Let's run the onOpen so that we have the toggle. And in our template, we can now go to template and build template. This will take a moment because it's going to copy this slide, or this whole slide deck, and then it's going to replace the name and replace the value with the last row in this spreadsheet. So here is our copy of the template. And when we go over to this slide, we've got first row, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Easy. Now, when we run it again, let's say that we have some new data being entered. Let's say February 1st, we add second row, and that is 2, 3, 4, 5. And then maybe we even add in March. We've gone all the way to March. And that's third row, 6, 7, 8, 9. If we run this again, template, build template, it's going to build with the current data from our spreadsheet. So I can close that. Finished script. We're in here. We want the newest. And here we've got third row, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now we can just open up our template and we can build out the current spreadsheet data directly without ever even opening the spreadsheet. Somebody else in another office can be busy updating data, and all we have to do is generate a new spreadsheet from the current data. So I hope that helps. I hope that answers the question. I think I understood what Stephanie was getting at. So let's find out. Do you have any ideas for ways that this can be improved even further? I mean, we could do charts. There's all kinds of things that can be pulled over when you are combining these services together. All right, cheers, everybody. I will talk to you soon.